Do you want to become a millionaire? Now you can, for free. In this video, I'll show you a free app that allows you to make up to $10 million with a few taps. Enjoy playing fun and simple games while earning real money in the process. Turn your free time into an opportunity to make some serious cash. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Download TallyUp app now and start making money in just a few minutes. Level up and earn even more with each game you play. Keep playing and reach your goal of earning $10 million in no time. TallyUp is a new kind of game show that is 100% free to play, enabling anyone to compete in a fun, simple, and very fair mini-games and win up to millions of dollars in real prize money. Start by receiving a small amount of free, real money, which is paid for by their game show sponsors. Then get matched against another player who also has some real money from sponsors, and compete in one of the simple 1-minute mini-games to determine who wins the pot and continues climbing the money tower. On the money tower, prize money accrues very quickly. If you start with even 1 penny, it will double each time you win a game, turning into more than $10 in just 10 wins, $10,000 in just 20 wins, and over $10 million in 30 wins. Mini-games can be learned, played, and won by anyone in just minutes. Anytime you lose, the system will provide some more free money to start over. When you play, you are competing against other players and not against TallyUp. The app simply gives money to all players and lets them compete against one another. Anytime you lose, it means another player has won. Unlike other competitive games, in TallyUp there is no way to spend or risk your own money. And there is no need or ability to spend money to win. Anyone can play, and if you stick with it and practice, you might just win a significant amount of free money in the game show for everyone. Every player has a fair and equal chance at winning real cash prizes, and it is a matter of testing your minigame skills, outwitting your opponents, and a bit of luck. Games have been designed to ensure that players are unable to cheat or get any unfair advantage. TallyUp is designed to ensure anyone and everyone has a fair shot of winning. Once you reach a balance of $10 or more, you may cash out winnings via PayPal. When you win and cash out, 10% of the winnings go to charity. You may always choose to give more than 10% and make a bigger difference. Top donors are ranked on a leaderboard of TallyUp's most generous players. Start making money with TallyUp now. Download the app for free and begin your journey to becoming a millionaire today. In the end, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it," and share it. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos like this.